Most garden setups start with something cheap, plastic trays that crack, warp, and get tossed after a season. These are different. Built right here in Menominee, Michigan, these garden starter boxes are made from locally milled wood, cut, shaped, and finished with purpose. Every board comes from real timber. No shortcuts, no mass production. Just solid, natural material that's meant to last. They're designed for growers who want something better, whether you're starting vegetables, herbs, or flowers. Strong enough to hold up through the season, and clean enough to actually look good in your garden or greenhouse. And the best part? This wood came from right here. Local trees, milled into something useful instead of going to waste. It's simple. Better materials, better build, better results. If you're serious about your garden, start with something that's built right.